girls, today I wanted to talk camo, print, and camouflage. If you like videos like these, go ahead, hit like, subscribe to my channel, stick with me. Let's go ahead, let's get started, let's jump right in. So I have my lovely Coach field tote right here that's in the beautiful camo print, and in the Windy City where I live, it's been kind of still off and on. So it's still been kind of cool outside. So for that reason, I said, let me go ahead and rock some of my, kind of warmer gear. And I saw a video on Camouflage the other day and I really enjoyed it. So I said, let me pull out and pop out on some of my camouflage items. So I have this cute sweatshirt and it's camouflage, and this is from Old Navy. And I just decided to go ahead and pair it with my field tote by Coach. I love this bag. It's so cute. I love the colorful tag on it. And I just decided to go ahead and pop out with my field tote from Coach, you guys. So I have a few other things camouflage, not much, but I wanted to go ahead and share them. So the next thing that I like that's camouflage is this lovely jacket right here. So this jacket I purchased from Nordstrom Rack, and it's oversized a little bit, and I just purchased it because I wanted a camouflage jacket. This was several years ago. This was several years ago when I was watching Basketball Wives, and one of the Basketball Wives, Shawnee O'Neal, has her own line of clothing, and she came out with a camouflage jacket, but there's a twist to it. She came out with a camouflage jacket that was very ornate, and it had things like different beautiful patches on it. So I wanted a patched camouflage jacket, and since I couldn't find one, and since I didn't order that one from her website, I decided to make my own. So I went to Nordstrom Rack and I found a plain camo jacket, this one right here, and then I took patches off of another sweatshirt that I had. The first one is this heart right here. So I took this off of another shirt that I had that I wasn't using anymore, and went ahead and applied it, you guys, and I love it with the heart. And then I have a tattoo with angel wings. I love angel wings, anything with wings. And I went ahead and took this off of another shirt that I had that has angel wings, and hence why I always say, hi angels, hi my loves. I love angels and things with wings. So I went ahead and put the angel patch on here with the wings, and I absolutely love how it came out. I love how it came out on this jacket, you guys, and it's not too much. I absolutely love this jacket. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like with my tote bag. So here's my lovely tote bag. Absolutely love it by Coach. And I wanted to share the interior of this lovely bag. So this is what it looks like on the interior. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it really well, but the interior patch is very nice as well in there. So nice in there. That's what it looks like on the interior. Thank you guys so much for joining me while I talk about my Coach Camouflage field tote. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Remember to like, comment, subscribe on my channel, and I'll see you girls in my next video. Bye.